Most of my gear, well, all my sea fishing gear, apart from a few bits, are in the old passion wagon. Go to it. This is respect for some of our past fishing gentlemen and ladies. God bless you, Stella Johnson. Rest in peace. Lovely day for it. Let's get set up and crack on. That is the old Occidental jetty. Over a mile long it whizzes round there. Never got used. They scrapped the refinery. Never got used or did the refinery, which you've changed into a nature reserve. Tanks down and everything. Crack on and edit. All rigged up in the water, just over the edge with this one. Not very good with the old multipliers. This one just out about 20 metres. Don't have to go out far here. I've got salted ragworm, I've got squid, black lug and other stuff I'll show you later. Basically finger bandage stuffed with all sorts. Let's give it some. Basically, the old crabs take a bit of time to get through them. The finger bandage, small finger bandage, make a little plunger, squid in there, black lug, old ragworm, and freeze them. Crabs have a problem to get through them, but the old fish get a chance to get at them. Unfortunately, dogfish love them as well. There you go. There's all sorts wrapped in them. Kettle's boiled. Shout out to Matt, lads, Casters Fishing, Wales, UK. Also, Nick and Nicola, we're right touch of fishing. And it. but that's fishing for you. Got a nice suntan.